This storage and data residency and data access is becoming a more and more controversial thing in the world, especially
Yeah.
if you start expanding outward into EMEA, talking about what happens to data from a company in Germany, right? Where's that data stored?
Yeah.
Who has access to that data? Those kinds of things are hotly debated right now.
Yeah. Yeah.
Imagine for a second, I'm working at a consulting firm that is doing a merger and acquisition due diligence, right? If that consulting team is using Slack, they're talking about the details of that project, that data says really specific stuff about that merger and acquisition, right? That the public cannot know. And so it just can't be anywhere except on that consulting company servers.
Really? Yeah.
And that kind of stuff happens a lot. People take customer information and upload it into tickets. People talk in their chat program, or they send emails with attachments that have huge amounts of customer PII in them. All of that stuff happens way more frequently than you imagine.
Yeah. Yeah. And I think, the best product managers and product thinkers I've worked with at least have empathy for this and make an effort to understand the sort of nuances of this challenge. It can be easy. I mean, especially if you're earlier in your career, or you haven't worked in an organization like this, it can be easy to be kind of flip about these concerns and sort of write them off as, oh, that's old fashioned. But, that's really just a recipe for misunderstanding your customer. And